as y'all can see in the title, the bumper reflectors, they're not lights, but we're gonna take those out today and we're gonna put some lights in there. These lights I got off eBay. I got it from a source off actually my what it was, a YouTube channel. Yeah, a guy that I follow on Instagram and a guy that followed me back on Instagram. He told me about them, so I think it was about like last year he told me about them. So I finally decided to buy them, and I think it took like what, maybe a week, cause they came from China, I think. But yeah, let me show y'all what they look like. They just came in a box with a lot of China writing and stuff on them, but this is what they look like. They're LED. They got a little LED strip in there, and they got 3 wires that comes with it. So we're gonna take those out and put these in. I actually got like another piece that I'm gonna throw on the back side since we're working on the back of the car today. And that'll be it for today until I get something else in. I think next week maybe, because I know I ordered something. But this is the left side. If you ain't already, good thing Taco ain't bored. If you ain't already, subscribe to the channel. Go and subscribe, like, and comment. But let's go and get into the video, because y'all know it like to rain on me and make my work clothes, so we're good to go. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on taking these out. I pulled these out before a while ago. Way up here. Just like that. Simple as can be. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna wire this stuff up. And do I want to drill a hole in here to get these wires through there? Probably not. I just stick it straight through these little holes. I know one of these ground negative, and I know it might be the turn signal. So we're gonna figure out all this. This is the left side. Yeah. So let's stick this in there and see if it'll work in this hole. Or if I have to drill a hole in here. But y'all don't mind drilling a hole in here, because you ain't gonna see it. I just want to see if this gonna work. I might have to drill a hole now. I don't mind that. Let's go get the drill, and I'll be back. I'm back with the drill. I'm about to drill a small hole in here. Pull these out. Probably gonna drill it exactly where it's at. Ground. perfect size hole too. I actually don't know what it's in on or where it's at. Alright, let's see what it's at. I had to drill a little bit bigger so that it sit in there flush. Alright, YouTube, so as y'all can see, it's a zip tie right here. And then as we come down here to the bottom, the zip tie is right there. We just tied the little wires to the bottom of it. Got a little nut thingy right there. So I'm gonna try to pull this up through here. I took my tail lights apart, not apart, but loose. So I can get some room to come up through here. I was about to pull this up without losing the wires. Yeah, I know my hands are dirty. Hopefully it'll come up through here. Wires are still on there. I ain't got no string or nothing, so that's why I'm using these zip ties. And there you go. Just like that. Now I'm about to figure out how I wire these, and then I'll get back to y'all so I can show y'all how to wire them. Man, YouTube, when I tell y'all, I had to do a lot of figuring out stuff. I actually YouTube one video because there's no video of a Malibu or nothing like that. Well, a Malibu with bumper lights. So thank me for the people that got a Malibu and want to put bumper lights in there, because I'm about to explain everything to y'all. Let me flip the camera and show y'all exactly what I mean. Alright, so as you can see, it's blinking with the turn signal. Now we're gonna cut that off. So, cut that off. Now it's solid. And I can't do the brake part because my dad in the house, but I get him to do that when he come out. But that's what you need, and I'm about to explain the stuff. Alright, so this is my other one right here. I use this one as decoy because I didn't, well, not a decoy, but I use this as a little test, so I didn't have to keep looking down there. But see that to the side right now. Alright, so if you got the same tail lights I got, there's this one little plug that comes out. As y'all can see, the other one's got just yellow, black, and the other one got red and black. Alright, so you got yellow, or you got red, white, and yellow. So your white wire goes with your red. Your red wire goes with your white. And your black wire goes with your yellow wire. I don't know why I stuttered. But that's how you put them in. I had to test all these out. Like, I had the lights on, and then I cranked the car up, and then it won't work. And I was like, let me leave the lights on. So I just played with them, as in the other video I watched, with the totally different car. But I played with them, and I figured it out. So let's cut the lights off now. Put y'all here, it's beeping. Cut it off. Oh, it cut out well. Sorry. Right, close that. I just wanted to show y'all this before I put everything back together. The white go red, red go white, and black go with yellow. And I flipped the little prongs, and then I pushed them in, and they go in a lot better that way, the way you see now. So this is the way I did it. And for the people that do have them, let me know if y'all lights come on, y'all bumper lights come on when y'all unlock the door. Cause if it do, I need to figure out how to do that. But everything else works. I don't think it's getting enough power like with the lights off. But when the lights on, everything works normal. But I'm gonna show y'all that when I get done with what I gotta do real quick. This is the finished product of the bumper lights. Man, them things look dope. I just like it with the color, the red and the blue. That jump pop, and then it goes with the tail lights. Best purchase. It like by the time I get done with the car, everything will be brand new. I still end up getting the car repainted, just because of a lot of reasons. But that'll be like later on down the line. I'm not worried about getting it repainted right now. But when I do, then I'll let y'all know about why. But not right now. But I still got a few things coming in. It's like little smaller details that a lot of people won't notice, but a lot of people will notice, the people that got a Malibu, because they know a lot of this stuff don't come on a Malibu. But I'm actually glad I got it done, because it started raining. And as y'all can see, we got Malibu right there and carbon fiber. I don't know who made this, but they made the hole in the wrong spot. But I'm gonna leave it there because I kind of like it, so I'm just gonna let it stick there until I get that plate. Everybody know they got that plate. I want that. I wonder if this light is plugged up, because I'm pretty sure it's probably not from the last time I was playing with it. But I'm gonna check that out in a little bit. Not worried about it right now. But this are the lights. But I think it's just a brake light, third party light, whatever. Anyways, but that's all for this video. Until the next video, I just be waiting on stuff to come in, so that's why I don't be posting like that no more. Be working, and then I get tired, so. But your boy still posting videos. They're the LED lights. Dope. Let me stop playing around and go hop in the shower. I got a few things to do before I go home. Till the next video. I'm out of here, YouTube. I meant to show y'all YouTube the lights blinking. I forgot to mention that they blink. I just got my hazards on, so that's why they blinking. Just wanted to show y'all that, because I forgot to show y'all that. I actually forgot about that. I was like, these people gonna wonder, like, why ain't show us them blinking? Do they blink? Yeah, they blink. And I know y'all gonna ask, where did you get them from? I got them from eBay. What's the link? I don't know. I don't know. I was supposed to keep them a secret, so this is my way of keeping it a secret. So y'all just have to find them. Because somebody actually showed me where to get them from, so that's how I got them. Most ones, they're just, I think, like brake lights. And I gotta get my fitment a little bit better there at the market. So like where the wires are at, the wires are like on this side. That's why it pokes out just a tad bit. Which I'm gonna pull them out one day and make sure they're flush. They're just like that on the other side too. I guess it's because it's like glue on the back of the wires, and it's like light. I cut a big enough hole to try to make it sit in there, but I'm gonna have to do something one day. Or like cut a little bit of the glue off or something. I'll figure something out. But these at night are gonna be so dope. I might get a video of y'all them at night for y'all, just to show y'all.